Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about your term paper on Finance 343. So in this term paper, you are going to use Power BI to develop an interactive dashboard using the financial information for different companies. And then you're going to choose one of the companies from the list and then discuss about the financial position of the company and then write it down in a Word document. So this is your term paper. Now here, as you can see in this particular document, the objective for this particular project is to analyze the financial position of a company through financial ratio analysis using an interactive dashboard created in Power BI. That is exactly what we discussed here. And then software that you are going to use to complete your term paper include Power BI and then Microsoft Office. And here, to complete this particular term paper, you need financial data. And then this data will be provided by your instructor. And then the recommended course content. So here, you're going to use the uh, lecture for chapter 4 to complete this particular term paper. Now here you can see data collection. So here actually you don't need to do data collection. Your instructor will provide you the data, and then you're gonna open Power BI on your computer. So here I personally use the desktop version of Power BI, and then your instructor will provide you the financial data in Microsoft Excel. Then here, you're going to import the data to Power BI, and then you're going to clean and transform the data if necessary. But in this case, actually, you don't need to do much transformation. And then you're going to use the DAX language on Power BI to calculate different liquidity ratios, capital structure ratios, asset management efficiency ratios, and profitability ratios, along with market value ratios. We are going to discuss about it in details in our upcoming video lecture. And then using these financial ratios, you're going to create interactive dashboard in Power BI. And then in your interactive dashboard, you should have slicer, you should have filter if necessary. So in our case, you're going to have some slicers. That's it. And then from your interactive dashboard, you are going to choose one of the companies from your drop down menu, and then you're going to perform financial analysis using the ratios you're going to create on your Power BI, and you're going to visualize on your interactive dashboard. Once your term paper is complete, then you're gonna submit two different files. One is Power BI dashboard file, and the other one is Microsoft Word document. Grading. Your instructor will follow several criteria in grading your term paper. And those criteria include correctness of the financial ratio calculation, quality and clarity of the interactive dashboard design, accuracy and depth of the financial analysis presented in your Microsoft Word document, and overall presentation and adherence to instruction. And once again, once you want to complete this project, please use the course materials for chapter number 4. The next Word document that I want to discuss here is this particular document. So here you can see the formula for all the ratios that you're going to calculate in your Power BI. For liquidity ratios, you need current ratio, quick ratio, average collection period, days, sales in inventory. And then for capital structure ratios, you're going to use debt ratio times interest earned. For asset management efficiency and profitability ratios, you're going to use operating return on asset and then return on equity. Here, you're going to use DuPont analysis. In this case, you're going to break down operating return on assets into two components, including operating profit margin and total asset turnover. You're going to break down return on equity into three components, including net profit margin, total asset turnover, and equity multiplier. Then for market value ratios, you're going to use two different ratios, including price earnings ratio and market to book ratio. Now, we are going to collect the financial information for these companies. Here you can see these are tickers: IBM, Microsoft, Apple Incorporation, Meta, Google, Netflix, Disneyland, and others. And then to complete all of these ratios, you need 16 different financial information. And we are going to collect all of these information from words. Specifically, we are going to collect these information from CompuStat inside Words database. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss how to collect data from Words. Thank you.